Breathing for belly fat reduction. Breathing is a fundamental process that not only sustains life, but also plays a crucial role in metabolism, fat oxidation, and overall energy balance. Optimizing breathing patterns can significantly enhance fat-burning mechanisms, particularly around the belly area. The breathing process involves the respiratory system, including the nose, trachea, lungs, and diaphragm. When we inhale, air enters the lungs, and oxygen is transported to cells via the bloodstream. The diaphragm, a dome-shaped muscle, contracts and flattens, expanding the lungs and allowing airflow. Exhalation is a passive process where the diaphragm relaxes, pushing out carbon dioxide. Breathing through the nose is essential as it filters air through tiny hair-like structures called cilia, which trap dust and microbes. The nose also humidifies and warms the air before it enters the lungs. Swallowing plays a role in regulating airflow and preventing excessive dryness in the airways. The alveoli are tiny air sacs in the lungs where oxygen enters the bloodstream and carbon dioxide is expelled. Efficient alveolar function ensures proper oxygenation of the blood, which is crucial for metabolism. Hemoglobin in red blood cells binds to oxygen and transports it to tissues. Proper breathing patterns enhance oxygen delivery, improving metabolic efficiency and fat oxidation. Free oxygen molecules help in oxidative phosphorylation, a process that generates ATP, the energy currency of the body. More oxygen means better cellular respiration, enhancing fat breakdown. Cellular respiration converts oxygen and glucose into ATP. When oxygen levels are optimal, the body efficiently burns fat for energy. Poor breathing leads to anaerobic metabolism, causing lactic acid buildup and reducing fat burn. Common mistakes in breathing can greatly affect our health and metabolism. Mouth breathing leads to lower oxygen uptake, higher cortisol levels, and increased fat storage, especially around the belly. It also results in dehydration and inefficient gas exchange. Excessive breathing reduces carbon dioxide levels, leading to vasoconstriction and reduced oxygen delivery to tissues. This hampers fat metabolism. Proper diaphragm movement ensures deep, efficient breaths. Shallow breathing leads to poor oxygen supply, increased stress, and a sluggish metabolism. Shallow breathing or chest breathing leads to insufficient oxygen delivery, activating the sympathetic nervous system, increasing cortisol, and promoting belly fat storage. Hyperventilation reduces carbon dioxide levels, leading to dizziness, fatigue, and poor oxygen utilization. However, controlled hyperventilation techniques like Wim Hof breathing can stimulate metabolism and improve fat burning when done correctly. The Buteyko method emphasizes breath control and CO2 retention to optimize oxygen uptake. Holding the breath after exhalation increases CO2, improving blood circulation and oxygen delivery, enhancing fat metabolism. The Wim Hof method is a controlled hyperventilation technique followed by breath retention. It increases oxygenation, reduces inflammation, and enhances fat metabolism. Deep belly breathing, or diaphragmatic breathing, engages the diaphragm, improves oxygen delivery, and reduces stress hormones that contribute to belly fat storage. Box breathing is a rhythmic breathing technique, following a 4-4-4-4 pattern. It improves oxygen efficiency, reduces stress, and enhances metabolic balance. Bhramari breathing, also known as B-breath, is a humming breath technique that increases nitric oxide levels, improves oxygenation, and reduces stress-induced fat accumulation. Coherent breathing is a slow breathing technique, ideally 5 to 6 breaths per minute, that optimizes heart rate variability, lowers cortisol, and improves metabolic function. Nadi Shodhan, or alternate nostril breathing, balances the autonomic nervous system, improves oxygenation, and enhances metabolic efficiency, aiding in fat loss. Now let's talk about the protocol for these exercises. In the morning, a routine of 10 to 15 minutes can include 3 rounds of the Wim Hof method and 5 minutes of diaphragmatic breathing. For midday stress control, spend 5 to 10 minutes with 3 to 5 minutes of box breathing and 5 rounds of Bhramari breathing. In the evening, a relaxation routine of 10 to 15 minutes should include 5 to 6 minutes of coherent breathing and 5 minutes of Nadi Shodhan, or alternate nostril breathing. These exercises offer numerous benefits in reducing belly fat and boosting energy levels. Firstly, they increase oxygen supply, which enhances metabolism and fat oxidation. Lower cortisol levels reduce stress-induced fat storage. Improved CO2 tolerance enhances cellular efficiency and fat metabolism. A regulated nervous system shifts from fight or flight to rest and digest, promoting fat loss. In terms of boosting energy levels, these exercises enhance ATP production, as more oxygen leads to higher energy output. Better blood circulation ensures efficient nutrient delivery. Improved sleep and recovery result from better breathing patterns, reducing fatigue. Breathing is not just about oxygen intake. It plays a crucial role in metabolism, fat burning, and energy levels. By correcting common breathing mistakes and incorporating structured breathing exercises, one can effectively reduce belly fat and enhance overall vitality.